Hi, I'm Elizabeth, the Senior Business Strategy Manager here at Acquire App. For today's case study, we'll be discussing Western Welder. Western Welder was started by Jordan Beeman, a former welder in the oil field. He realized that the quality of men's welding clothing was not living up to the demand of the modern welder's needs, and he needed to do something about it. Thus, he created Western Welder, a now 7-figure brand selling men's welding clothing. Western Welder has successfully created a loyal and attentive following. So when he was able to create the perfect welding jacket, it was a no-brainer for Jordan to come to us here at Acquire to help him launch a pre-order campaign for the product drop. Jordan came to Acquire with his marketing team, eCom Powerhouse, and over a 2-day period, we worked to design a pre-order sales page. This page included a countdown timer indicating when the jacket would be available for purchase and let customers know about the product so they could receive an exclusive first buyer discount. Warming up his audience through social media, email, and SMS, Jordan directed shoppers to this page where he was able to convert his traffic into pre-registered buyers. Acquire's pre-order page doubled the revenue compared to their previous product launch efforts thanks to the frictionless checkout process the pre-order feature offered by ensuring that customers have a fast one-click checkout experience. The pre-order page brought in over 4,200 sessions with 800 people registering for the product, creating a 20% conversion rate. Within the first 15 hours of the sale, we saw 164 orders resulting in $23,081 in revenue, a $141 average order value at a 14% conversion rate right off the bat. 77% of those 164 orders were bought with a one-click checkout feature. Because of the robust nature of Acquire's system, we were able to include a post-purchase funnel that resulted in bringing in an additional $2,328 in revenue. And these stats were just the beginning. After 5 days, there were over 300 orders and $42,000 in revenue. So, what did Jordan have to say about it? Incredible! This went really well. How amazing! That was awesome! We can feel the stoke too, Jordan, and we're glad we were able to help you accomplish one of your biggest sales days. If you're interested in increasing your sales and business, head over to acquire.app and we'll be happy to help.